In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost Brave downloading speed. We'll make a few smart adjustments inside Brave so your downloads can kick off faster and stay steady, all without installing anything extra. Follow along on your computer and pause if you need to. First, open the Brave browser. In the address bar at the top, type Brave/flags and press enter. This opens Brave's experimental features page. These options can enhance performance, but they're considered experimental, so make changes thoughtfully. The good news is you can always reset everything back to default from the top of this page if you ever want to undo a change. On this flags page, you'll see the specific result you came here for. Switch that setting from default to enabled. If you don't see it immediately, use the search box on the flags page to find the exact entry shown on your screen. Most changes here won't fully take effect until you relaunch the browser, and we'll do that at the end so all updates apply together. Next, head to the main menu. Click the three lines in the upper right corner of Brave and choose Settings. In the left sidebar, select Privacy and Security. Look for Use Secure DNS and make sure it's turned on. Secure DNS helps your browser translate web addresses more quickly and safely, which can reduce the time it takes to connect to download servers. Below that, choose a DNS provider. Pick the one that's fastest for you. Different providers can respond at different speeds depending on your location and network. If you're not sure, start with a well-known option, and you can always switch later to see what feels quicker on your connection. Now, go to the System section in the Settings sidebar. Find Memory Saver and turn it on. This feature frees up RAM from inactive tabs so your active tab, like the one handling your download, has more resources. That can help keep downloads smooth, especially if you tend to keep many tabs open. Just remember that inactive tabs may reload when you return to them, which is normal behavior with Memory Saver. With those changes in place, relaunch Brave. Relaunching applies the experimental flags adjustment and locks in your settings updates. After Brave restarts, you're ready to try your next download with these optimizations in effect. If anything doesn't feel right, you can return to settings to adjust DNS or toggle Memory Saver, and you can revisit Brave/flags to reset experiments back to default.